Sound effects. These are sounds that are not dialogue. They're your biff, bam, pow, or other things that are not as old as the hills. These are indicated in the script with SFX, biff, bam, pow. I generally don't use a lot of them. Mostly, I use them when I think it would be unclear without them, or for emphasis. So, if you have a character rack a shell on a shotgun to intimidate somebody, you're going to want to add a sound effect, ka-chunk, in there for emphasis. On the other hand, if it's just the character reloading during a fight, you probably don't need the sound effect. You have to play this by ear.